Union Minister of State for Ayush, Shripad Yesso Nayak, has called upon people to come forward and participate in International Yoga Day celebrations being held in Chandigarh on 21st June in large numbers, making yoga a mass movement, especially for youth. Addressing a press conference in Chandigarh on Friday, the Union Minister said that yoga is also being made a part of syllabus and curriculum at school, college and university level. The two-day international conference on yoga for body and beyond will be held at Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi on the 22nd and 23rd June. All state and union territory governments have been asked to celebrate the event at the state headquarters, district, block and village level. And for more on Yoga Day celebrations and preparations for the big day, we are joined by correspondent Jaya Sinha from Chandigarh. Jaya, how are preparations looking for the big day, which is coming on the 21st of June?
Yes, Mohammed, I'll tell you, the stage is set for the International Yoga Day, which will be held on 21st June. You can meet the grey mangoose, the yoga mascot for Chandigarh, here right now and behind me. Just to have a curtain raiser of a 21st June mega event, there's a 4-day yoga festival going on in Chandigarh right now, which focuses on different aspects of yoga. Right now I'm at CII, where there's a academic conclave going on, in which how yoga can be treated as an art of good life. You know how yoga you can make yoga as your career, how yoga can help you, how yoga can benefit you. All these aspects of here, all these aspects are discussed here. There are experts, there are professors, there are speakers from all over India who have come here to tell people more about yoga, because here yoga is not about asanas, yoga is not about exercise, yoga is about art of living. So there are various aspects of yoga which are trying to, where the administration is trying to tell people about, and that's the way to promote yoga and motivate maximum number of people to come and join and participate in this festival. Yesterday we saw a very, very beautiful presentation of yoga and Bharatnatyam, that how yoga and Bharatnatyam are made for each other. There was moonlight yoga, where the more focus was on not on asanas but more on the spiritual level. And today, for the first time, we'll be from here, we'll be heading to the Sukna Lake, the famous tourist spot of Chandigarh, where for the first time they'll be showcasing 3D mapping of yoga asanas. Then there'll be yoga on wheels, you know. So there's so many aspects of yoga which we are trying to focus here. They're just fine-tuning the last-minute preparations. Today, I tell you, Munmun, we got a chance to visit some schools in the morning, right at 6 a.m. in the morning. The students have come out in large number to practice for yoga, and they were really, really enthusiastic to participate in the yoga festival on 21st June and perform yoga with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And I tell you, Munmun, in the second edition of International Yoga Day, there are a lot of unique things, there are a lot of unique aspects which are happening, and one of them, like there will be more than around 500 specially able children, Divyang people will be performing with Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 21st June. So we happened to visit their center, where they are practicing for months now, and they're really, really excited to be part of this festival and to click selfie with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And it was really tough, you know. I tried yoga with them, and it was really tough to match their enthusiasm, their energy. So there are last-minute preparations happening. You can see people, volunteers, administration people, officials. There are volunteers from all over India who have come here to motivate people. So now the target is around 30,000. There was a target of 30,000 people who will be performing at the Capital Complex with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But there are more than 90,000 registrations for that. So there are final selections going on, that how many people will get a chance to perform at there. But apart from the Capital Complex, there are more than 100 venues across the state where there'll be live screens, where the whole festival will be, the whole program will be telecast. There'll be webcasting happening, and people from their respective centers, they'll be performing yoga from there. Yes, Munmun.
Thank you so much, Jaya, for giving us a comprehensive update on the preparations ahead of International Yoga Day on the 21st of June. Enthusiasm clearly is building up ahead of the big day, and awareness creation is also taking place at the same time on the benefits of yoga.